So today we are talking about pumpkin. And I love pumpkin because you can enjoy a lot of different parts of the pumpkin, as well as enjoy pumpkin in many different ways, whether that is sweet or savory. And we'll be enjoying it all holiday season. So one of the great things is that if you see a food item that is orange, like pumpkin, carrots, things like that, that indicates the beta carotene or vitamin A that is found in the pumpkin. And that has eye protecting benefits as you age, as well as immune supporting benefits. And as we move into these cooler months and we're indoors more, we definitely want to find ways that we can support that immune system. Another great thing is that it has heart protecting magnesium. And the more magnesium that we can consume, the better it is for our heart. So definitely add in pumpkin however you can, whether that's in your overnight oats or in your chili. That's another great way, or in your pumpkin pie.